Coursiv review. My honest 7-day experience. Worth it or not? I'm going to tell you if Coursiv is worth your time after using it for a full week. Signing up was easy, and the platform has a clean, user friendly design. The lessons are short, around 15 minutes each, making them easy to fit into a busy schedule. I tried courses on AI tools and online professions, and while the content was practical, I noticed some minor spelling errors. The courses are great for beginners, but if you're looking for advanced, in depth material, Coursiv might not be enough. Some users have also reported issues canceling their subscriptions, so be cautious. So, is it worth it? If you're new to AI and want quick, digestible lessons, Coursiv is a solid option. But if you're after deep, advanced knowledge, you might need something more comprehensive.